Namaste everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Raju. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the tenses past continuous. Generally, continuous means going on. Past means past time. So here, the definition is very clear over here. Past, past time, continuous, going on. So the work which was going on in the past time. The work which was going on in the past time is the past continuous. Suppose, what were you doing at this time yesterday? I was eating breakfast, or I was walking along the corridor. So something was going on at this time of yesterday. Something was going on at this time of yesterday. Such a way, if you wanted to speak any one of the particular actions which was going on the past time, is the past continuous tense. Then, how can we identify the past continuous tense? How can we identify the past continuous tense? Same, very simple logic here. The helping verb which gives the meaning of continuous in the past is a suitable word. Then, among the 24 helping verbs which give the exact meaning of past continuous, those are two, was and were. That's the reason we use here subject plus helping verb was, were plus V4. Why do we use V4? Because V4 indicates the present participle. That means continuous. So past form continuous. So was or were plus V4 plus object plus complementary. Next, negative. If you wanted to speak that I was not doing at this time, I was not doing at this time, you should use the negative sentence. So this is a structure for that. I was not doing, that means helping verb was or were plus not plus V4. And question, as usually WH word plus helping verb was or were plus subject plus V4 plus object plus complementary. So positive structure, negative and interrogative. So through this structure, when you practice more examples, you get command over the tense. And later you can go on speaking, there is no doubt at all. But our practice is very important. On every tense, minimum 20 to 30 examples, positive, negative, interrogative. When we are ready to do it, then we can speak easily. That you need to practice. And here we have two helping verbs, was and were. Was is a singular word. So when the subject is singular, we need to use was. If the subject is plural, were. Simple logic. If the subject is singular like I, he, she, it or any other singular name, Ramu, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrugna, whatever it is, for all the singular names we should use was, and for all the plural subjects we need to use were. So here is an example to you. Pranaya was collecting funds for the needy. Pranaya was collecting, not now, yesterday or day before yesterday. Some time ago in the past, she was doing. Some time ago in the past, she was doing. So that's the meaning of this sentence. Just apply this in a real life. Yes, I wanted to speak something which was going on in the past time. So use this structure and frame the sentence. You can do it easily. You can do it easily. So Pranaya was collecting funds for the needy. Suppose I wanted to speak that she was not doing. Pranaya was not collecting funds for the needy. Pranaya was not collecting funds for the needy. Suppose I wanted to ask the question to someone. Was she collecting funds for the needy? Suppose I had a doubt. Yesterday, was she doing or not? If I had a doubt, I wanted to ask a question to someone. Was Pranaya collecting funds for the needy? This is a way which we have to use the tenses in our regular communication. We need to get first idea, what is a concept? In what condition do we need to use what kind of tense? When you know this, you can do it easily. So next one more time, Pranaya was collecting funds for the needy. Pranaya was not collecting funds for the needy. Was Pranaya collecting funds for the needy? Then how do you get the same type of example in the examination? Deepesh dash his friend Ashu on her success at that time. This is a question given in the examination. And I give the options: was congratulating, is congratulating, congratulates, so has congratulated. These are the 4 options. Then how can we identify that sentence is given in the past continuous? Simple logic. Here is a keyword, at that time. At that time. That means here the meaning is something was going on at that time. The meaning is something was going on at that time. So something was going on means past continuous. Something was represents always past. So something was going on means past continuous. Going on continuous. Something was past. So past continuous. So the answer will be was congratulating. Was congratulating. So as like that, what are the adverb of time words to identify the past continuous? What are the adverb of time words to identify the past continuous? Very simple. At that time, at that moment, those days, yesterday at this time, yesterday at this time, long ago at the same time. So something should be representing going on. Past plus going on. So when you get such kind of words, 100% that should be in the past continuous. Try to understand. Today going on means present continuous. Particularly in the particular time of the past going on means past continuous. Once again, if the work is going on today, I am teaching, going on now, so present continuous. Suppose if something was going on in the past, past continuous. But if the work started in the past and still going on means present perfect continuous. I have been teaching, started in the past, still teaching. I was teaching, only in the past time I was doing. I am teaching, now teaching. So this difference you need to understand very clearly among these 3. Past continuous, present perfect continuous. I hope this is very clear to all. Thank you all.